Hey folks, today we're going to show you an interesting condition called cellulitis. Take a look. Cellulitis is an infection of the deeper layers of the skin, most commonly caused by bacteria that normally live on the skin's surface. You have an increased risk of developing cellulitis if you have an injury such as a cut, fracture, burn, or scrape, have a skin condition such as eczema, participate in contact sports like wrestling, have diabetes or a weakened immune system, have chronic swelling of your arms or legs.
This bacteria used to be much more common in young children in the age 6 to 7. However, such infection is now rare because of the HIV Haemophilus influenza type B vaccine.
Signs and symptoms of cellulitis include redness, swelling and tenderness, warmth of the affected area, fevers and chills, and swollen glands or lymph nodes. If left untreated, cellulitis can rapidly turn into a life-threatening condition. Treatments usually include antibiotics. In severe cases, you may need to be hospitalized and receive antibiotics through your veins. Quick trivia question. Can you identify this medical condition? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos all the time.
Hello, I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.